Number 15. The 1973 Dodge Dart, priced at $4,500. Located in Toledo, Ohio. This numbers-matching V8 factory air conditioning 4-door has power disc brakes and a rebuilt transmission designed for power. The engine, estimated at 350 horsepower, features long tube headers and an all-new fuel system. Recent updates include a manual steering gearbox, new tie rod ends, brakes, and front floorboard replacements. Garage kept with no major rust. Over $5,000 invested in parts, perfect for someone ready to complete a nearly finished project. Open to offers, no trades. Click the link in the video description for more details or to make an offer. Number 14. The 1973 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,000. Located in Troy, Ohio. This Mustang has been owned by the seller since 1994 and is in good condition for its age. It runs well with a good 302 engine and the power top works flawlessly. While it has been in storage for several years, it's a great candidate for full restoration or a fun car to drive as is. The owner personally drove it for several days. No lowball offers. Number 13. The 1982 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $8,700. Located in Grange, Kentucky. This 2-door coupe features a 5.7 V8 diesel engine with just over 60,000 actual miles. It's a front-wheel drive car with a clean title and is in excellent condition. The engine and transmission are in great shape, and all features, including heat, air conditioning, power windows, and a power seat, are fully functional. A well-maintained classic ready for its next owner. Number 12. The 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente, priced at $9,500. Located in Quincy, Illinois. This hot rod features a freshly upgraded 302 roller motor with aluminum heads and a mild cam, paired with a C4 transmission and a 9-inch rear end. It has new brakes on all 4 corners, a newer interior with a power driver's seat, and working lights, signals, and factory options. The tires are in good shape, complemented by Western wheels and new exhaust. While the paint and bodywork are amateur, it's a reliable driver with added theft systems, ready for the road. Number 11. The 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $9,500. Located in Vaughan, Mississippi. This classic is equipped with a 400 engine and a 400 transmission, and it's an all-original virgin car with clear title. Driven around 99,900 miles, it's in great condition and runs smoothly. The seller is the second owner and is confident the car can be driven anywhere. Asking price is negotiable. A solid original classic ready for the road. Number 10. The 1965 Plymouth Valiant 100, priced at $9,800. Located in Princeton, West Virginia. This classic features a 225 slant-6 engine with an automatic transmission and only 33,000 miles. It runs and drives great, with a clean title and a new West Virginia inspection sticker. Equipped with a CD stereo, it's ready for cruising. A solid, reliable car that's turnkey and ready to go. Number 9. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $10,000. Located in Valparaiso, Indiana. This classic features a 289 engine with a C4 automatic transmission. It retains its original Ragoon red vinyl top, disc brakes, and power steering. Comes with all original documents including the title, window sticker, and owner's manual. Driven around 30,000 miles, this well-preserved survivor runs, drives, and stops well. Sold as is, it's a great piece of automotive history ready for its next owner. Number 8. The 1972 Dodge Coronet, priced at $12,000. Located in Waldron, Indiana. This rust-free classic, originally from Southern Virginia, features a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It has 42,000 original documented miles and runs and drives great. Recent tune-up includes new plugs, wires, carburetor, choke, and radiator. It also has a new fuel sending unit and new tires. While there are minor scrapes and dings and the speedometer needs fixing, everything else works. Clean title, cash only, price is firm, ready to hit the road. Number 7. The 1968 Chrysler 300, priced at $12,500. Located in Marble, Pennsylvania. This car has a rebuilt 440 engine and 727 transmission with 6,000 miles since the rebuild. Odometer reads 119,000. Originally from North Carolina, it was repainted in its original color 20 years ago, with some minor nicks. The bumpers were re-chromed, though the front has a blemish. It features a well-maintained vinyl top, refreshed seats, and carpet, plus a full brake overhaul in 2021. Heat and AC are the only non-working features. Number 6. The 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, priced at $13,950. Located in Putnam, Illinois. This hardtop two-door features a matching 350 engine and is in very good condition. The paint looks great and the car has new brakes and tires. It drives exceptionally well and only needs minor fixes for the headliner and horn. A solid classic ready for cruising with no trades accepted. Number 5. The 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $15,000. Located in Cambridge, Ohio. This Monte Carlo has been garage kept by the previous owner and has a 350 engine and transmission. It's all original, including the paint. With only 80,000 miles driven, this car is in great shape and ready for its next owner. The current owners are the second ones to have the car and they are open to offers. Number 4. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $17,000. Located in Seymour, Indiana. This classic Mustang has a 1965 289 engine, though it may not be the original motor paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It was originally owned by the seller's grandfather who did all the bodywork, including a full floor replacement. The car runs and drives well with new parts and electrical work done. It has a few minor issues: surface rust under the driver's side rocker, a misaligned driver's window, and a slightly damaged front grille insert. Clean title in hand, open to offers. Number 3. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $19,500. Located in York, Pennsylvania. This classic has been driven about 93,400 miles and is equipped with a 355 roller motor with 12-to-1 compression. It features a 12-bolt rear and 373 gears, delivering fast, strong performance. A powerful muscle car ready for its next adventure. Number 2. The 1973 Dodge Charger, priced at $20,000. Located in O'Fallon, Missouri, this classic has 80,000 miles on it and features its original 340 engine. The transmission was rebuilt last year and the car got a fresh paint job around the same time. While the rear tires need replacing, the front ones are in good shape. It comes with a Holley carburetor that runs well and a clean, nice interior. The car has a title, is registered, and is ready for a new owner to enjoy. Number 1. The 1973 AMC Javelin, priced at $20,000. Located in Pere, Wisconsin, this Javelin has a powerful 363 engine with an oversized cam and 373 gears. The engine has been completely rebuilt and has less than 1,000 miles on it. It also features a stall converter for added performance. With only 55,000 miles on the car, it's ready to hit the road with a fresh engine and plenty of power.